Hello, today I'm gonna make Batata Harra. Batata Harra is spicy potatoes. It comes from Lebanon and Syria. The word Harra in Arabic means hot. Vegetarian, vegan, welcome back to How to Cookery. I have potatoes here. I peeled them and boiled them, but they're still hard. I cut them into this shape. This is very simple. I will put in 1 teaspoon of salt and pepper, two teaspoons of chili powder. The chili powder makes it harra. Harra in Arabic is hot. 1 tablespoon of garlic, olive oil, we're gonna give it a mix. Now I've put the potatoes in a metal tray. You need to get your oven very, very hot. We're gonna put it in a hot oven for about 15 minutes. This is fresh coriander. Some people call it cilantro. We will put this on the potatoes when they're ready. This is out of the oven, very hot and delicious. Now I will serve. Some people would squeeze lemon juice on it. That's it, done. Very delicious, simple, lots of love.
Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.